For over 20 years, the U.S. government conducted a secret investigation into UFO sightings known as Project Blue Book. Thousands of cases were meticulously analyzed, revealing a mix of explanations and perplexing mysteries. While some sightings were attributed to misidentified aircraft or natural phenomena, hundreds remain unexplained, fueling endless speculation. What did they uncover in those classified files? Reports of strange lights, unexplainable maneuvers, and encounters that defy our understanding of physics. And what about the secrets still locked away? Are we on the brink of a revelation that could change everything we know about our place in the universe? The truth is out there, waiting to be uncovered. The Roswell incident in 1947 ignited a firestorm of curiosity about UFOs that the U.S. government couldn't ignore. Just a year later, in 1948, the Air Force launched Project Sign to investigate these mysterious sightings. But as public interest surged, so did skepticism. Enter Project Grudge, which aimed to debunk UFO claims, but that didn't satisfy the growing demand for answers. By 1952, the stage was set for Project Blue Book, the most extensive investigation into UFO phenomena. Over 12,000 sightings were recorded, yet only a fraction were deemed unexplained. These projects not only shaped our understanding of UFOs, but also reflected a society grappling with the unknown. The truth was out there, and the quest for it had only just begun. In the early days of the UFO phenomenon, skepticism reigned supreme. But then came Project Blue Book, led by Captain Edward J. Ruppelt. This initiative wasn't just about chasing shadows. It was a systematic effort to analyze UFO reports with a scientific lens. Ruppelt believed that dismissing these sightings outright was a disservice to national security. Each report was meticulously investigated, from military encounters to civilian sightings. The goal? To determine if these unidentified objects posed a genuine threat. Blue Book collected data, interviewed witnesses, and sought to separate fact from fiction. It was a groundbreaking approach, laying the groundwork for how we understand aerial phenomena today. Ruppelt's mission was clear: to confront the unknown with rigor and reason, ensuring that no potential threat went unchecked. Over 17 years, Project Blue Book meticulously analyzed a staggering 12,618 UFO sightings. Imagine that. The government sorted these cases into three distinct categories. First, we have the identified cases, those that turned out to be natural phenomena or human-made objects. Then there's the insufficient data category, where the details were just too sparse to draw any conclusions. But here's the kicker. About 701 cases remain completely unidentified. These are the mysteries that still baffle experts today. What could they be? Are we alone in the universe, or is there something more out there? The intrigue of the unknown keeps us questioning, searching for answers in the vastness of the sky. I've spent countless hours diving into the testimonies of military pilots, civilians, and law enforcement officers, and what I've uncovered is nothing short of astonishing. Imagine a fighter pilot, trained to recognize every aircraft in the sky, suddenly witnessing a craft that defies the laws of physics. These pilots describe objects darting at incredible speeds, making sharp turns that no human technology can replicate. Then there are the civilians, ordinary people who in the blink of an eye find themselves staring at a UFO performing maneuvers that leave them breathless. And let's not forget the law enforcement officers sworn to protect and serve, who report encounters that challenge everything we think we know about our world. These stories are not just anecdotes. They are glimpses into a reality that is both fascinating and unsettling. The evidence is mounting, and it begs the question, what else is out there? In July 1952, the skies over Washington, D.C. erupted with mystery. Multiple unidentified flying objects appeared, not just to the naked eye, but also on radar screens. Pilots reported seeing these strange lights darting around the U.S. Capitol, moving at astonishing speeds that defied explanation. The Air Force scrambled jets to intercept, but as quickly as they appeared, the objects vanished without a trace. This incident sparked a national frenzy, raising questions about what we truly know about our skies. Were these advanced military craft or something beyond our understanding? The Washington, D.C. UFO incident remains one of the most compelling chapters in the history of unexplained phenomena, leaving us to wonder what really flew over our nation's capital that night. In 1956, something extraordinary unfolded over the skies of England. U.S. Air Force personnel stationed at Lakenheath and Bentwaters found themselves in the midst of a mystery that would baffle experts for decades. They tracked fast-moving objects that defied all known aerodynamics, objects that zipped across the sky at incredible speeds, performing maneuvers that no earthly aircraft could replicate. Witnesses reported seeing these UFOs darting and hovering, leaving behind no sound or visible propulsion. The military scrambled jets, but these unidentified crafts outpaced them effortlessly. What were they? Advanced technology from another nation or something beyond our understanding? The incident was documented, yet the files remained classified, fueling speculation and intrigue. This encounter raised questions about our place in the universe and the limits of human technology. The Laken Heath Bentwaters incident remains a pivotal moment in UFO history, a tantalizing glimpse into the unknown that continues to captivate imaginations today. In November 1957, something extraordinary happened in Levelland, Texas. Imagine driving late at night when suddenly your engine sputters and dies. You pull over, confused, only to see a glowing object hovering nearby. This wasn't just one person's experience. Multiple motorists reported the same phenomenon. They described a brilliant, pulsating light that seemed to emit an electromagnetic force, stalling their cars and leaving them in awe. Investigators later linked these incidents to electromagnetic interference, suggesting that this mysterious object was not just a figment of imagination. The Levelland case remains one of the most compelling UFO encounters, blending the realms of science and the unknown, leaving us to ponder what truly lies beyond our understanding. It was April 24, 1964, when I, Officer Lonnie Zamora, found myself in the New Mexico desert, witnessing something that would change my life forever. As I drove, I spotted an egg-shaped craft gleaming under the sun and landing silently. My heart raced as I approached, and to my astonishment I saw two small humanoid figures outside, dressed in strange suits. They seemed to be examining the craft, completely unaware of my presence. I radioed for backup, but when the Air Force arrived, they found nothing. No tracks, no debris, just the eerie silence of the desert. They labeled it a hoax, but I knew what I saw. The incident sparked intense speculation and debate, becoming one of the most compelling UFO sightings in history. To this day, I wonder what really happened that day. What did I encounter? The truth remains elusive, but the mystery continues to captivate minds everywhere. By 1969, Project Blue Book came to an end, wrapping up years of investigation into UFO sightings. The final conclusion was striking. None of the reported sightings posed a threat to national security. Imagine that. Thousands of reports, yet not a single one indicated extraterrestrial life. Most of these sightings? Just misidentified natural phenomena or man-made objects. Whether balloons, aircraft, and even Venus were often mistaken for something otherworldly. It's fascinating to think how our imagination can run wild, interpreting the unknown. But in the end, Project Blue Book taught us that the truth is often far less sensational than the stories we create. 701 cases remain unexplained, and that's a staggering number. It's like a puzzle with missing pieces, fueling endless debates among enthusiasts and skeptics alike. Many believe the U.S. government hasn't stopped its UFO research. Instead, it's been operating in the shadows. The Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, or AIT, which came to light in 2017, suggests there's more to the story. What if these unidentified phenomena are not just figments of imagination, but advanced technologies or something beyond our understanding? The secrecy surrounding these investigations only adds to the intrigue. Are we alone in the universe, or is there a hidden truth lurking just out of sight? The mystery deepens and the questions keep coming. Project Blue Book fundamentally transformed how we investigate UFOs today. This secretive program not only documented sightings, but also shaped the narrative around extraterrestrial encounters, inspiring countless TV shows, books, and conspiracy theories. Fast forward to today, and the conversation is reignited. Declassified Pentagon reports on UAPs have captured public attention, revealing that even NASA and Congress are taking these phenomena seriously. The stigma is fading, and we're now looking at UFOs through a scientific lens. What was once relegated to the realm of the bizarre is now a legitimate field of inquiry, pushing us to reconsider what we know about our skies and the possibilities beyond. Project Blue Book officially wrapped up in 1969, but the enigma of UFOs remains alive and well. The U.S. government claimed to have investigated thousands of sightings, dismissing most as misidentified aircraft or natural phenomena. Yet countless reports still linger, leaving us to wonder, did they really uncover everything? The declassified documents reveal intriguing encounters, but what about the cases that never made it to the public eye? Whispers of hidden files and secretive military operations fuel speculation. Are we truly alone, or is there more to the story? The truth may be out there, but it feels like a cosmic puzzle with pieces still missing. Project Blue Book was a fascinating initiative by the U.S. Air Force aimed at investigating UFO sightings from 1952 to 1969. Over 12,000 reports were analyzed, and while many were debunked as misidentified aircraft or natural phenomena, a significant number remained unexplained. This project not only fueled public interest in extraterrestrial life, but also raised questions about government transparency. The findings were often inconclusive, leaving us to wonder what truly lies beyond our atmosphere. The blend of science, secrecy, and speculation makes Project Blue Book a captivating chapter in the history of UFO research. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.